Welcome to the Trend Market Update Report for July 2012. Well, as expected, the July closed transactions were 13% higher than a year ago, continuing the trend for this year of being consistently higher market activity than we had a year ago. So far this year, each month has had closed transactions more than 10% higher than a year ago. And year to date, sales are about 14% higher than they were last year. We continue to be on a pace for about 57,000 sales in 2012, which would be the highest sales total in 3 years. Equally welcome were the results for pending sales. We've been hearing reports that market activity slowed somewhat in July. But even though pending sales were 7% lower than they were in June, they were still 17% higher than a year ago, signaling that there's going to be a continuation of improvement in closed transactions into the fall when we compare it to last year. Year-to-date pending sales are at the highest level since 2008. And for the third straight month, electronic showing requests were at about 104,000, showing that the market activity has been pretty even over the past 3 months. The number of electronic showing requests in July was 22% higher than last year. Also, the average sales price was 1.2% higher than last year, than last July. That doesn't sound like much, but again, we're seeing average prices go up, and it was the 4th straight month where we had average sold price higher than it was a year ago. So prices are not only leveling out, they're actually beginning to go up in most places. Distressed sales were at 13.8% of the closed sales, and that's the same that it was in June. And for the year right now, distressed sales are at 17%. That's it for July, and don't forget to check the homepage for the Market History Report, Market Snapshot, where we have county-level statistics. And also join us then a month from now for the August results. Thanks for joining us.